Today's topic, bad shoulder posture. Let's dive in.
What's up guys, it's Philip here. Today we are talking about the bad shoulder posture. So, a couple of things before we start. Bad shoulder posture is actually a habit. Let me repeat that. So bad shoulder posture is a habitual thing. When you are walking, bending over, using your laptop, using the phone, you are slouching forward with your shoulders. And the way that you can stop doing that is to break that pattern. And to break the pattern, you need to be aware of what you are doing wrong. So, when you are doing those things, when you are sitting a lot, when you are driving a car a lot, using the phone a lot, you should always have in mind that you should break the pattern of that bad slouched forward position, and that you should move your positions as often as possible. When you have bad shoulder posture, a couple of things happens. Your shoulder blades, they get rolled forward. Your humerus, the bone in the upper arm, gets rolled inwards medially like this, and you get the thoracic kyphosis. And it basically looks something like this. A couple of things happens. You have muscles that are overactivated and muscles that are underactivated. In this particular deformity, the muscles are in the front of your body, so your chest muscles, shoulder muscles, they are overcontracted because you're using them a lot. Whatever you're doing right here, you are using these muscles a lot, and also the upper traps, they get overworked. Because of that, they get shorter, and when they get shorter, you lose the range of motion. And my chest are in the full expansion right now. As you work them, they get shorter and shorter and shorter, and then this happens. Also, the underactivated muscles are the muscles of your back, so you need to strengthen your back so those back muscles can support you and hold you in the upright position. So, in order to fix this issue, you need to stretch the chest area right here, your pectoralis major and minor, also your shoulders, and you need to strengthen the back muscles that should hold you upright. Now I'm going to show you a couple of exercises that I like doing, and yeah, as in math, 2 plus 2 equals 4, but 3 plus 1 equals 4 as well. So the thing is, these are not the only stretches and exercises you can do, but I find them the most effective. I like a combination of dynamic and static stretches, and also isometric and dynamic exercises. So I'm going to show you each one of those, and you can use them to fix your bad shoulders quite easily. But always have in mind, the thing is, it's a habit, and you need to break the pattern of a habit. So let's dive in, and I'll show you a couple of things you can do. All right, the first exercise is one of my all-time favorites, and it's called the Y. And this exercise is a dynamic move for your upper back muscles. So the muscles that you need to strengthen, this is the exercise to do that. So you are gonna lie on your stomach in a pronated position. I want your palms facing each other like this. Your head is not looking up, it's looking down on the ground, and I want you to put your arms above your own body. So get them up like this, and as you can see, it's hard for me to talk right here, but I'm gonna do my best. So get them up right here, and then straighten the elbows and go back and repeat. And as you can see, I am performing this one slowly with control, and throughout the entire exercise, I'm keeping my arms above my own body. All right, that's the first move we can do to dynamically strengthen the back muscles. Now, the second thing we can do is to do an isometric move. And the isometric contractions are great because your muscles, the size, the length of your muscle isn't moving, it's staying the same, but the tension inside the muscle is changing. And that's exactly what you need for right and correct posture. So the exercise I like doing is called the W. So I'm going to turn my back on you, make a W with your arms right here, and get them behind your body like this. While you're doing this, I don't want you to get your stomach forward. I want you to tuck in your stomach, get the arms in a W position and push backwards. And hold it here like this. Hold it for a set of 30 seconds, a minute. Try to gradually progress, of course, make overload progressions. All right, so those two are the two moves that you can do to strengthen the muscles in your back that are probably weak and not able to support you. The next thing we can do a couple of stretches. The first stretch I'm going to show you is going to be for your traps. Your traps are probably super tense because they are overworked. So we want to stretch those muscles and get the tension out of them and try to relax them. And what are we going to do? So I want you to grab one of your, so get one arm behind your back like this, grab it with the other arm right here at the wrist, pull it downwards, and while you are pulling it downwards, I want you to roll your head to the side, to the opposite side. So it will look something like this. And as I said, we are doing this dynamically. So I am doing this for a set of 10. Then obviously I'm switching sides. So right here. This exercise is great to get the range of motion in your neck, and it will, if you have headaches and stuff like that, this exercise will really do wonders for you. The last stretch I like doing is a static stretch, and of course we need to open up the chest and the shoulder area, and obviously I'm outside, but you can do all of these exercises inside. The one I'm going to show you is going to be on the floor, and I want you to lay on your stomach like this, and I'm stretching my left side first, and I'm going with my right leg over my left leg, and right here I am stretching this area. And of course, after holding it for longer than 15 seconds, couple of times I have mentioned this and I'll keep mentioning it. Whenever you're doing the stretch, please hold the stretch for over 15 seconds at least. It takes that much for your central nervous system to process the motor neurons, to tell the muscles to relax. Of course, you can do the other side as well, right here. This stretch is one of my favorites as well. So, pretty much, I showed you the dynamic move for strengthening the back, the isometric move for strengthening the back as well. Then we did a dynamic stretch for the upper traps, and then we did the static stretch for the chest and shoulders area. As I said, having the proper posture is a habit. It takes time, it takes training, it takes a little bit of hard work and energy to get this issue fixed. But now you know what to do, and hopefully I left you better than I found you. Once again, my name is Philip, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye-bye.